What's up guys, Moto Jimbo here. What's going on? If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I've been working on this R6 for a while. But if not, I'm going to catch you up here. Bought this from a guy that bought it in a police auction, and at some point it had been stolen. So he bought it from the police auction, started swapping stuff from the old frame to this titled frame. He got it about 70% there, and that's where I stepped in. The fairings were off of it. They were a wreck anyways. There's one. I threw away the tail section because it was just busted all to pieces. The carburetors weren't in, they were in, but they needed to be cleaned or rebuilt. Needed a battery, all kinds of stuff. He told me it ran. I never did get to hear it run, but I got it cheap, so I took a chance on it. I tried to rebuild the carburetors. I never could get them right. So eventually I just bought a guaranteed set off eBay, and the guy did a good job. I slapped them in and things started to ride up. So I replaced the fairings. As you can see, I'm working on putting steel braided brake lines on. I already have the left side on, and I've just been riding with it for a bit. I haven't done the rear yet. It's still got the old school stuff on it. This thing's a whole different world for me. I'm real proud of the work I've done on it. It's not perfect, but it's came a long ways. Definitely can't tell it's the same bike, honestly. I still got to put this turn signal on because when I put it on with the adhesive it came with, it fell off. Of course it did. I got to put the front fender on, finish that brake. This thing came with a Yoshi pipe, and this thing sounds great. It's incredibly loud. So yeah, I mean that's about it. The fuel pump relay went out on me when I got it. The starter went out on me when I was working on it, so I've replaced the starter, the fuel pump relay. Actually, no, I haven't replaced the fuel pump relay because FedEx never brought me the damn thing. Long story short, FedEx driver comes to my driveway, never gets out, leaves. 2 weeks later, he marks the package as delivered. We contact FedEx. They say, oh, it was never on the truck that day. He marked it as delivered. They knew he lied. They didn't care. So I'm out almost $100. So from now on, if something says it's shipped with FedEx, if I can't get another option, I'm not buying it, because I mean they pretty much encourage whatever he did, whether he stole it, lost it, whatever. They didn't care. So that's the end of my business with FedEx. So yeah, starter, fuel pump relay, carbs, fairings, new brake pads, new brake lines up front, new tire up front, and this rear is pretty good. I'll probably replace it soon. I don't know how old it is. I need to check the dates on it, but yeah, there it is, guys. I mean, it's a great bike, and it's a whole new world for me. Like I said, it's really fast, at least for me, because I'm not used to that kind of power. I had the SV650, but it's nothing compared to this thing. And I'm sure the new ones are way more powerful. But this thing it'll get you down the road. No joke. Yeah, I hope you like this. I'm sorry I rambled, but if you watch my channel, you know I ramble, so you're used to it by now. And apologies for the video quality. I bought these HD camera sunglasses so I could do stuff like this, and the video quality sucks, and I can't get the date off, so enjoy that. But thanks for watching, guys. I'm enjoying bringing you more content finally, so stay tuned, more to come.